Everyone, and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to activate new modem on Xfinity in 2025. The first thing you need to do is launch the app on your phone and log in with your Xfinity ID. Then tap the Internet tab at the bottom, then select Manage Devices. Choose Activate New Modem option from the list. It may also appear as Set up New Equipment. Next, you have to enter the modem details. You can do this by scanning the barcode on the back of your modem or manually entering the CM MAC address. It should be printed on the modem. Then you follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your address and the plan, then wait for activation. It usually takes between 2 to 5 minutes. Then you restart the modem. Don't forget to unplug it for 30 seconds. Then plug it back in and restart it. Once the app confirms activation, test your internet and it is done. Your new modem is now active. It's as simple as that. So, do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and if errors occur, just simply use Xfinity's live chat in the app for instant help. There's no activation fee if it is done via the app, per Xfinity 2025 policy.